Well, today, one of my many jobs was
No one cares. Boo! Boo!
Today I was out at Sharky's. There is a new project. It's a solar power generation field. And as part of the construction is going on there, we had a whole bunch of debris from where they were pouring concrete. And so I am helping Tom Hackett clean up. It was just labor work, but I thought I'd share with you because it's kind of fun to see it in fast motion. So this was my exercise for the morning. And I'll let you know as we progress with the solar field. It's going to look pretty cool.
I mean, Mission Impossible is a lot faster than that. It's dum bum 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 bum.
Oh, okay.
Bum 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 bum. So that's
all right,
like.
now what's it? So what if you just did?
Huh?
Just do the. How about up here and then like not that part, but this part go. Just go da da da. Just that part.
It's too low.
All right, so in between.
And I can blow your brains out doing it, but it's still
Not so
too
much
low.
with the beat there, but yeah, like that. Go lower on the bass because I don't know if I can handle all this. We can move the bass lower at most, but the rest of it keep it the same one.
Just the bass lower?
Yeah, and then now play it.
Right?
Right there.
I'm telling you, this is not going to come out. This is going to be so muddled because it's got too
Yeah.
much junk in it.
Yeah, okay.
Um.
That was